everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. Today's topic of the day is Statistics Day, which will be celebrated on June 29, 2025. The Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation will celebrate the 19th Statistics Day on 29 June 2025 at Ambedkar International Center, New Delhi. This day is observed every year to commemorate the birth anniversary of Professor Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis, a pioneer in the field of statistics and economic planning. Statistics Day aims to celebrate public awareness, especially among the younger generation, about the importance of statistics in socio-economic planning and formulation for national development. The event will be inaugurated by Rao Indrajit Singh, Honorable Minister of State, Independent Charge of MOSIP, Minister of State, Independent Charge of the Ministry of Planning and Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture, Professor Rajiv Lakshmi Karandikar, Chairman, National Statistical Commission, and Dr. Saurabh Garg, Secretary, MOSIP. To commemorate the 75th year of the National Sample Survey, the Ministry will release a commemorative coin and customized My Stamp. In addition, the GOI Stat mobile application developed by MOSIP to facilitate user-friendly access to official statistics will also be launched. The prestigious Professor C.R. Rao National Award in Statistics will be conferred during the event. Winners of Data Visualization Hackathon organized by MOSIP will also be felicitated. So, in this article, the important part is from here. What exactly is necessary for your examination? It helps in writing your mains answers. Short film highlighting 75 years of National Sample Survey and a panel discussion on the topic Impact of Frontier Technologies on Official Statistics. Moderated by Dr. Sharmika Ravi, Member Economic Advisory Council to the Prime Minister. The panel will include Dr. Debasisa Mohanty, Director, National Institute of Immunology, Shri Prakash Kumar, CEO, Wadhwani Center for Government Digital Transformation, and Shri Amitabh Tripathi, SVP, Head of Analytics Consulting and Solution, Aditya Birla Management Corporation Private Limited. So I already mentioned which part of this article is very important. Further, everything is for your information. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.